Last tool, we need to record it. Alright, here he goes. 2 trains is on its way. But the first one is still kept trying to derail. But the other one is still catching up with him. Who's still trying though? Still trying for this train. But it's still catching up on this one. Ooh. I must try to derail this train. I put the seashell on the train track. Here goes. The trains are coming. Boom. Ooh, there it goes. The seashell still dragging with the train. Wait, I'll move it. One of the trains are hard to derail. Get just in there. I'll just put the front wheel over here. But it will be derailed. Oh! What are they doing? Both of them are really derailed? That's cheeky.